Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for the latest and most in-depth reviews of the finest automobiles on the market. If you're a car enthusiast who loves learning about the newest models, specifications, and features of high-performance vehicles, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting sports cars of 2025, the Ferrari 812 Superfast. In this video, we'll take you through a comprehensive review of this stunning machine, covering everything from its specifications to the features that make it one of the most coveted cars in the world. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast continues Ferrari's legacy of delivering high-performance machines that offer both breathtaking power and unmatched elegance. This supercar takes the already impressive 812 model and elevates it with a host of design and engineering improvements that make it even more extraordinary. With a sleek, aggressive look, the 812 Superfast is a true masterpiece that exudes Ferrari's signature style. The exterior of the car boasts smooth, sculpted lines that enhance its aerodynamics, along with an iconic front grille and sharp LED headlights that give the car a commanding presence on the road. At the heart of the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine that delivers a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. This powerhouse engine allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds, while its top speed surpasses an astonishing 211 miles per hour. This level of performance puts the Ferrari 812 Superfast in the upper echelons of supercars, competing with the best in the world. The powertrain is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that ensures smooth and rapid gear shifts, giving the driver a seamless driving experience whether on the track or the open road. But raw power is just one aspect of the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast. Ferrari has focused on refining the car's handling and dynamics to make it one of the most responsive and thrilling cars to drive. The 812 Superfast features rear-wheel steering, which improves maneuverability and stability, particularly when cornering at high speeds. Its sophisticated suspension system, including a magnetic dampening system, ensures that the car remains composed on any type of terrain, whether you're taking on tight corners or cruising on a straightaway. Inside the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast, Ferrari continues to deliver on its promise of luxury and comfort. The cabin is a testament to Italian craftsmanship, with premium materials like fine leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum trim throughout. The driver-focused cockpit is designed to offer an immersive experience, with all controls placed intuitively for easy access while maintaining a minimalist approach. The car also features an updated infotainment system with a high-resolution display that offers navigation, entertainment, and real-time performance data, ensuring that you stay connected while on the road. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is the suite of advanced technology and driver assistance systems that have been incorporated into the car. While the Ferrari brand is known for performance, it has also made significant strides in enhancing safety and convenience. The 812 Superfast comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a rear-view camera, and parking sensors, all of which make the car more practical and easier to drive on a daily basis. These features enhance the overall driving experience, ensuring that the car remains manageable even in busy city traffic. In terms of design, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast has received some subtle yet impactful updates. The front end of the car is more aggressive than its predecessor, with larger air intakes, and a more dynamic grille design that channels air to improve cooling and aerodynamics. The rear of the car has been refined as well, with new taillight designs and a more sculpted rear bumper that further enhances its performance-oriented aesthetics. The car's wider stance and lower ride height give it a more grounded, athletic look, further emphasizing its high-performance capabilities. As for sound, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast delivers a symphony of raw power with its unmistakable V12 exhaust note. Ferrari has fine-tuned the exhaust system to provide an even more exhilarating experience, whether you're idling at a stoplight or pushing the car to its limits on an open road. The engine sound is aggressive and soulful, offering the kind of auditory experience that only a Ferrari can provide. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is positioned as a high-end, luxury sports car, and as expected, it comes with a hefty price tag. The starting price for this model is expected to be around $350,000, which reflects the level of performance, luxury, and exclusivity Ferrari offers. Of course, there are plenty of customization options available for those who want to make their Ferrari 812 Superfast even more unique. In conclusion, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is a car that effortlessly combines breathtaking performance, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled design. It remains one of the most thrilling and desirable cars on the market, offering an unforgettable driving experience for those lucky enough to get behind the wheel. Whether you're a Ferrari enthusiast, a supercar lover, or simply someone who appreciates the art of automotive engineering, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is a masterpiece that will leave a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, specifications, and automotive news, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your subscription helps us bring more exciting content to you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.